Hello friends, my name is Bisnath and I'm back again with a new video. So this video is basically will help you to understand how to integrate Jenkins with Selenium Web-Driver. So if you like my video, so please subscribe to my channel and be updated with all the latest videos. So before we start doing or creating a video for Jenkins, let me tell you why do we need Jenkins and what is the use of Jenkins. So if you see on my screen, Jenkins is basically a software that allows continuously integration. So what is that basically? Developer check their code. So what happens, Jenkins will pick up the changed source code and it will trigger a build and run a test if required. So what happens when the test build is run, a build will create an output and that output will be a test data which will be available on Jenkins dashboard. Okay, so this is the main purpose of Jenkins. So basically what happens, any changes that developer do to their source code, Jenkins will automatically create or trigger a build which in turn will give you an output with the help of your test case automation script, and that output will be available in your Jenkins dashboard. Simple, right? So let's begin how to configure Jenkins and how do we get that. So for that, it is very simple. You have to first go to Jenkins ISO official website, IO website, and click on download and download the latest file. So depending upon your requirement, if you are using Windows or if you're using any Ubuntu or Mac device, according to your need, download the necessary Jenkins file. So for me, I'm using Windows. So for that, I'll be clicking on Windows section to get the exe file, or you can say WAR file for Jenkins in the form of a Windows compatibility. Okay, so then once you click on this, it will automatically gonna start the download installation. Okay, I'm sorry, it's not installation. It's gonna help you to get the download file. You can say WAR file. Okay, so currently I don't want to download this file because I have already downloaded. And once you download this file, you'll be getting a WAR file. So that WAR file you have to place into your desired location. So currently for me, I'm not placing this to my current location where my exact code is there. In fact, I'll be putting this to my local drive. So say for example C drive. Okay, so let's directly go to my C drive and see how does the Jenkins WAR file look like and how to configure it. Okay, so let me cancel this first. Okay, so here I am on my C drive. If you see, once you download that zip file, you can just extract it. Once the extraction is done, you'll be getting a Jenkins.war file. You have to paste it to your C drive. Now, how to start up the Jenkins server? It's very easy. What you do is, now say for example I have placed my Jenkins.war file in this location. I'll open up a command line. So how do I do that? I just type in over here cmd. Friends, this is very easy to, if you want to open any command line to the specific, going to the specific location, just navigate yourself to that particular folder and type in there cmd. Okay, here we go. Now just to invoke the Jenkins server, it's very simple. You have to type in the code, which is very simple, which says java space jar and then Jenkins and say enter. So when you say enter, it will start running up the dependencies and it will start downloading the dependencies file, and it will say at the end message saying that, hey, you know what, Jenkins is up and running fine. That message will appear once the dependencies has been done. So let's wait for that message to appear and then I'll show you how to confirm. Okay, now it says listed all plugins, started initializations. Okay, it's downloading. Okay, so friends, it says Jenkins is fully up and running. Now that is the for sure that we have invoked the server and server is working fine. How do we confirm if my server is running and I'm able to access the Jenkins? So it's very simple. You have to go to the Chrome you have to go to the Chrome browser. How do we go that? It's Chrome, and type in there localhost 8080. So friends, the default port for Jenkins is 8080. So once your server is up and running, you have to just go to the browser and type in over there localhost 8080. So what will happen, it will bring up your server and will show up you the Jenkins website. So friend, do not get confused or do not get panicked because of my username and the password which has been still displayed, because before the installation I have done the configuration how to set my username and password. So that will happen when you first time run the Jenkins server. It's going to ask you for username and password to set, and once you enter that username and password, then only it will show you up the Jenkins is fully up and running. Okay, so in my case I have used Jenkins for multiple times, so that is the reason my browser has stored my username and password, and that is the reason it is showing up over here. So now I'll say sign in. So once you sign in, it will come up the dashboard. This is a dashboard, friends, that I'm talking about. That will be there in my next video, wherein I'll show you how to link the your source code Jenkins with your Selenium Web-Driver code. Okay, so this video is basically only to understand how to run Jenkins and how to get the Jenkins server up and running fine and confirm if I'm able to access the Jenkins. My next video will help you to understand how to configure your Jenkins with Selenium, and once there's any changes done by you or the developer during your source code, Jenkins will automatically trigger a build and will invoke your test cases script to run, and it will provide you with the results. So that result will be getting populated on this dashboard. This is the dashboard of a Jenkins that I was talking about. Okay, the next video will help you to understand how to configure Jenkins with your Selenium, and how do we link my Jenkins with the Selenium code, and how to invoke the build and get the results. Okay, so stay tuned and stay tuned for my next video that will help you. So this video is all about Jenkins and configuration. So friends, if you have any queries, any questions regarding Jenkins and how to configure Jenkins, please comment and I'll surely get back to you. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and be you just be available for my next videos. Okay, thank you and have a great day. Bye.